Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade tomato sauce and mayonnaise. First, let's gather our ingredients for the sauce. Choose ripe, red tomatoes like Roma or San Marzano for the best results. You'll want to blanch them briefly in boiling water, then peel and deseed them for a silky smooth consistency. Finally, simmer your sauce over low heat for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to fully develop. To elevate your tomato sauce, begin by sautéing finely chopped onion and minced garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Incorporate fresh basil and oregano for an authentic Italian aroma. A pinch of sugar can balance the tomato's acidity, while a splash of balsamic vinegar adds depth. Remember to taste and adjust seasonings as it simmers, ensuring a perfectly harmonious flavor profile. Now let's move on to homemade mayonnaise. Start with fresh, room-temperature egg yolks as they emulsify best. Combine them with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a tablespoon of lemon juice or white wine vinegar. The key is to slowly, very slowly, drizzle in a neutral oil, like avocado or light olive oil, while continuously whisking or blending. This gradual addition creates a stable, creamy emulsion. Season with salt and pepper to taste. For the best mayonnaise, consistent whisking or blending is crucial to prevent it from breaking. You can also experiment with different oils, like grapeseed or sunflower, for subtle flavor changes. If your mayonnaise separates, a tablespoon of boiling water or an extra egg yolk can often rescue it. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after all this delicious cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.